Today, I am going to teach you how to paint on a slice of wood. We are going to paint some adorable woodland animals on birch tree slices with acrylic paints. I got these birch tree slices super cheap off of Amazon, and I'm just using acrylic paint and permanent marker. Both of those things stain, so be careful. With pencil, write your name on the back of your wood slice. Again, with pencil, sketch your woodland animal onto the center of your wood. I am using these handy how to draw woodland animal pages to help me. When you draw your animal, you want it to be right in the middle, and you want it to be as close to the edges as you can get it, so it makes an interesting composition. Uh-oh. I have made the sleeping fox way too small. Oh man, I don't want to start over, but if I kept going, I would be disappointed the rest of the project. And every time I saw this work of art, I would be like, ugh, why didn't I make the fox bigger? There's so much blank negative space. Guess what? Wood is erasable, and it literally took me 2 minutes to draw that fox, so I could draw it again. I will use my eraser and just start again. Voila! I like the sleeping fox a whole lot better. It is nice and big and right in the middle. Trace every single pencil line with a fine point permanent marker. I will only need to use 3 colors of acrylic paint for the little animal. Acrylic paint works good on wood because it doesn't soak in too much, it's permanent, and the colors will look nice and bright. Did I mention that it is permanent? I am starting with my lightest color, the white. I like to do this so that my water doesn't get too filthy right away, and I am absolutely sure my brush is clean. When I'm ready to change colors, I take my brush for a walk at the bottom of the water cup. The water will loosen the paint for me, but it won't get it perfectly clean. Plus, I never want to use acrylic paints with a wet brush, so my next step is to dry the brush with my towel and get off the extra paint. Notice how I'm just dabbing and then squeezing the bristles, not pulling. I paint my orange. Take the brush for a walk, dry it, and finally, the little accents in pink. Now, you may have noticed that I painted over some of my black lines. I would love to go back and re-outline my animal with my marker, but I have to wait until my acrylic paint is completely dry, or I will ruin my fancy-dancy permanent marker, and every art teacher will tell you they are sick of buying 180 permanent markers a year. My acrylic paint is completely dry. I retrace and ta-da! This little work of art is perfect for so many things. Thanks for watching.